What's up, nerds? Welcome back to the ABCs of OSS, where we're breaking down the world of open source software one letter at a time. I'm Taylor, and today we're diving into G for Git, everyone's favorite source of both salvation and suffering. Look, Git isn't just another dev tool, it's literally the backbone of modern software development. Linus Torvalds dropped this bomb on us back in 2005, and the dev world has not been the same since. Fun fact, he named it Git because he's got a sense of humor. It's British slang for an unpleasant person. Classic Linus throwing shade at himself. Before Git, we had systems like CVS and Subversion, and let me tell you, they were about as fun as a root canal. Then Git comes along and completely changes the game. Why? Because it's actually built for how developers work in the real world. First off, it's blazing fast because everything happens on your machine. You've got the entire repository right there, your complete code history, all your branches, everything. No more waiting for some distant server to respond every time you want to check what's changed. And branching, Git made it actually usable. Want to experiment with a new feature? Create a branch. Need to fix a bug? New branch. Want to try something wild that might literally break everything? Branch it, baby, and when you're done, merge it back in. It's like having infinite parallel universes for your code. Here's what's really wild though. Git is distributed. Everyone has a complete copy of the repository. There's no single point of failure. If GitHub goes down, and we all know it happens, you've still got everything you need right on your machine. Try explaining that to developers from the pre-Git era. They'll look at you like you're speaking alien. Now, Git and open source, that's a match made in developer heaven. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab built entire ecosystems around Git, and suddenly anyone with an internet connection could contribute to any project. Want to fix a bug in your favorite library? Fork it, fix it, submit a pull request. Want to add a feature? Same deal. But let's be real, Git isn't all sunshine and rainbows. The learning curve is more like a learning cliff. We've all been there, staring at the terminal, terrified we're about to destroy weeks of work with one wrong command. Rebase, merge, cherry pick, it's like learning a new language where every mistake could potentially set your project on fire. And don't even get me started on the git reset command. Nothing strikes fear into a developer's heart quite like realizing they just hard reset to the wrong commit. Pro tip, when in doubt, make a backup branch. Future you will thank me. But here's the thing. Once you get past the initial terror, Git becomes this incredible tool that you can't imagine living without. It's powering some of the biggest projects in the world. The entire Linux kernel, Git. React, Git. That side project you started and haven't touched in 6 months, also Git. That's our 7th letter in the ABCs of OSS. Next time, we're talking about hackathons, where sleep deprivation meets innovation and somehow magic happens. Until then, keep your code clean and your Git commits meaningful. Peace out.